Birinci mətni ingilis dilində oxuyacağım. Siz də ilk başlayanda 4 dəfə paralel olaraq oxuyursunuz. 5-cidə tərcümə edirsiniz. Neil was 5 years old and he had no brothers or sisters. He lived with his parents in the country and there were no neighbors near his house. One Saturday, Neil's uncle Fred came and visited them. He had lunch with Neil and his parents. And then Neil's mother went into the kitchen and washed the dishes. And his father went out and washed the car. Stay here and talk to Uncle Fred, Neil's father said to him, and show him your toys. His mother said, Neil showed his uncle his toys, and they talked for half an hour in the living room. Then Neil said to his uncle, I am going to go out and play with God in the garden now. His uncle was surprised. How do you play with God, Neil? He asked him. It's easy, Neil answered. I threw the ball up and then God throws it back down to me. Tercümemiz. Neil was 5 years old. Neil 5 yaşındaydı. He had no brothers or sisters. Onun qardaşı və bacısı yox idi. Had no yox idi. Had var deməkdir. Had var idi deməkdir. Keçmiş zamanda. He lived with his parents. O ailəsi ilə yaşayırdı. In the country, kənddə. There were no neighbors near his house. There were, sizə demişdik, var idi deməkdir. There were no neighbors, qonşuları yox idi. Near his house, evlərinin yaxınlığında. One Saturday, bir şənbə günü, Neil's uncle Fred, Neil'in dayısı Fred, gəldi and visited them və onlara qonaq gəldi. He had lunch, o qəlyanaltı etdi, with Neil and his parents, Neil və onun valideynləri ilə. And then, və sonra, Neil's mother, Neil'in anası, went into the kitchen, mətbəxə getdi, and washed the dishes, qabları yudu. And his father, atası, getdi, went out, çölə getdi. Go var ya getmək, onun keçmişidir, went out. And washed, yudu the car, maşını. Stay here, burada qal. Talk to Uncle Fred, dayın Fred ilə talk, söhbət et. Neil's father, Neil'in atası, said to him, ona dedi. And show him your toys. Show, göster him, ona, your toys, oyuncaklarını. His mother said, onun anası dedi. Neil showed his uncle, Neil showed, gösterdi, his uncle, dayısına, his toys, oyuncaklarını. And they, ve onlar, talked, danıştılar, for half an hour, yarım saat. In the living room, qonaq otağında. Then, sonra, Neil said to his uncle, dayısına Neil dedi. I'm going to go out. Mən çölə gedəcəm. And play, və oynayacağım. With God, Allah ilə. In the garden, bağda. Now, indi. His uncle was surprised. Onun dayısı təəccübləndi. How do you play with God? Necə oynayacaqsan Allah ilə? How, necə? How do you play? Necə oynayacaqsan? With God, Allah ilə. Neil, he asked him, ondan soruşdu. It's easy, asandır. Neil answered, Neil cavab verdi. I threw the ball up, threw, atacağım. The ball, topu, up, yuxarıya. And then, və sonra, God, Allah throws atacaq it onu back down. Geriyə, aşağıya. To me, mənə. Yəni Allah sonra geriyə atacaq, aşağıya. Mənə atacaq topu. Növbəti mətnimiz. Billy is 12 years old and his sister is 15. It was Saturday yesterday. And Billy's father gave him 50 pence. There is a big tree in Billy's garden, and he climbed it and sat in it. He likes that place and the tree very much. Then Billy looked at his 50 pence and said, I am going to go to the market tomorrow on my bicycle, and I'm going to buy some seeds with this money. Then I'm going to plant them under this tree. I am going to have a lot of flowers and fruit and plants, and I'm going to sell them. A lot of people are going to come to my garden every day, and they are going to buy my nice flowers and fruit and plants. And in the end, I am really going to have a lot of money. Then I am going to grow up and go to university, and I'm going to be a doctor. Then my sister will come to me and say, Doctor, Doctor, I've broken my left arm. Please help me. And I'm going to set her arm. The sky was blue, the weather was hot, and Bill was tired after that. So he went to sleep in the tree. But then he fell out of the tree and broke his left arm. His mother took him to the doctor and she said it. Bill is 12 years old. Billy'nin 12 yaşı var idi. And his sister is 15 ve onun bacısının 15. It was Saturday yesterday. Dünən şənbə idi. Billy's father, Bill'in atası gave him, ona verdiği 50 pence, 50 pence. There is a big tree, büyük bir ağac var idi. In Billy's garden, Billy'nin bağında. He climbed it. It ona deməkdir. He climbed, o dırmaşdı it ona. And sat, oturdu in it, içərisində. Yəni ağacın. He likes, o xoşladı, that place, o yeri, in the tree, ağaçda, very much çox. Yəni o yeri çox xoşladı ağaçda. Then, sonra, Bill looked at, Billy baxdı, his 50 pence, 50 pence, pensinə, and said və dedi, I am going to go to the market. Mən marketə gedəcəm. Buradakı going to acaq-acaq deməkdir. Going to go, gedəcəm. To market, marketə, tomorrow, sabah. On my bicycle, velosipetimlə. And I'm going to buy, alacağım, some seeds, bəzi toxumları, yəni biraz toxum, with this money, bu pul ilə. Then, sonra, I am going to plant, mən əkəcəm, them, onları, under this tree, bu ağacın altına. I am going to have a lot of flowers. Mənim çoxlu gülüm olacaq. Have a lot of flowers, çoxlu gülüm var deməkdir. I am going to have a lot of flowers. Çoxlu gülüm olacaq. And fruit və meyvələrim. And plants və bitkilərim. And I am going to sell them və mən onları satacağım. A lot of people, çoxlu insanlar are going to come, gələcəkdir, to my garden, mənim bağıma, every day, hər gün. And they are going to buy my nice flowers. Onlar are going to acaq-acaq idi. Are going to buy, alacaqlar, my nice flowers, mənim gözəl güllərimi. And fruit və meyvələrimi və plants, bitkilərimi. And və in the end, sonda, I am really going to have a lot of money. Mənim really, həqiqətən A lot of çoxlu money pullarım olacaq. Then sonra I am going to grow up. Mən böyüyəcəm. And go to university. Universitetə gedəcəm. And I'm going to be a doctor. Və həkim olacağam. Then sonra my sister will come. Bacım gələcək. Will acaq əcəkdir. Will come gələcək. To me mənə and say və deyəcək. Doctor, həkim, I have broken my left arm. I have broken, sındırmışam. My left, mənim sol əlimi. Please help me. Sol qolumu kömək et mənə. Help me, kömək et mənə. I am going to set her arm. Mən də onun qolunu düzəldəcəm. The sky was blue, səma mavidir. The weather, hava was hot, istidir. And Bill was tired, Bill yorğundur. After that, bundan sonra. So, belə ki, he went, o getdi to sleep, yatmağa in the tree, ağacda. But then, amma sonra he fell out of the tree. Fell, yıxıldı. Out of the tree, ağacdan yıxıldı. And broke, qırdı. His left arm, sol əli, qolunu. His mother, onun anası, took, apardı. Take var, götürmək, aparma. Onun keçmişi, took, apardı. Him, onu, to the doctor, həkimə. And she set it, və o onu nəsə düzəltdi. İnanıram ki, bu mətnləri çox gözəl oxuyacaqsınız və burada çox nadir bilmədiyiniz sözlər var uşaqlar sizin. Öhdəsindən gələcək gücdəsiz hər biriniz.